They say your early life romance game.
Alright guys, what we ended up doing is we ended up replacing this factory midsection, which is 2.5 next down to 2.25. See if I can zoom into that for you. See that 2.5 right there? Next down to 2.25. Factory midsection comes back here to 2 resonators, and then it next down to 2" on both sides. We thought that was rather awkward, so what we did is we replaced it with a 3.5" oval dump. So we have essentially up there we have a Y that runs into the oval at the factory, after the aftermarket secondary downpipes, secondary cat deletes, and then it comes back and we just have a little dump right here at the end of the exhaust, right underneath the car, right in front of the differential. So that is what we got on the car right now. Seems to be responding pretty well, and then we're going to get some 0 to 100 times measured here tonight, hopefully. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Initial impressions on the oval dump exhaust. It's too much. It's too loud, it's too obnoxious, but hey, that's what the whole idea of trying to build a record-setting car is all about. So you guys can hear it's pretty bad. I got all the windows rolled up, just kind of driving on my way home. Trying to keep it in the low RPMs, because once it crosses about 2,000 RPM, the drone is so bad it's just about deafening. But all in the name of speed, right? Trying to make sure we get these records established, start running this thing down the quarter mile with all these mods on it. Of all things, it's decided to rain this morning, so I don't know what the outlook is going to be for the track next week. We got overcast skies, we've got clouds everywhere, so we'll see what happens. Right now you can barely hear the car, kind of on a flat road. Not really, driving too aggressively. I'll show you what it sounds like when it crosses 2K. Coming up to a stop here in just a second, so we'll be able to get an idea of what it's going to sound like. Third gear has some interesting pops. It's noisy. Makes all sorts of ruckus out behind the car, so hopefully this is going to give us what we need to make the car move, get down the quarter mile, start seeing those 11-second time slips. I'll keep you guys updated as we move forward with the methanol install. Thanks for watching.